Efficient cooling in HVAC systems depends on refrigerant quality with new environmental rules. Many systems are shifting from older refrigerants to A2L refrigerants like R-454B for better compliance and performance. Welcome to PartsHnC. In this video, we'll show you how to understand the R-454B refrigerant transition and what technicians check to ensure safe and efficient system performance. Refrigerants are essential in HVAC systems because they control heat transfer and directly impact cooling efficiency. R-454B is a next-generation, environmentally friendly refrigerant blend replacing R-410A. It has a global warming potential, GWP, of 466, which is approximately 75% lower than R-410A, making it a critical player in modern EPA compliance. It is non-toxic and mildly flammable, with an ASHRAE safety classification of A2L. Let's break down what really drives this refrigerant transition and how HVAC systems are evaluated during the upgrade process. The most important factor is refrigerant compatibility. To handle this, technicians first check whether the existing system is designed for A2L refrigerants like R-454B or if a full system upgrade is required due to pressure and design differences. If the system is compatible, pressure levels are carefully evaluated. Technicians inspect high side and low side pressures to ensure the system can safely operate with R-454B without stress or imbalance. Another key step is the compressor condition. The compressor must be checked for wear, overheating, and lubricant compatibility to ensure it can handle the new refrigerant without failure. The expansion device is also important. It must properly regulate refrigerant flow. Otherwise, the system may experience freezing, poor cooling, or unstable operation. Leak inspection is essential as well. Technicians carefully check service ports, coils, and line connections to ensure there are no refrigerant leaks before charging the system. Since R-454B is an A2L refrigerant, leak checks become even more important. Oil compatibility is another critical factor. The wrong oil mix can damage internal components, so technicians confirm that the correct lubricant is used for these A2L systems. Finally, the system is fully evacuated before recharging. This removes old refrigerant, moisture, and contaminants to ensure safe and efficient operation with R-454B. These steps ensure a smooth refrigerant transition without performance loss or equipment damage. Proper evaluation helps HVAC systems run efficiently and meet modern environmental standards. For trusted HVAC parts, refrigerant system components, and expert guidance, visit PartsHnC.com and follow us for more repair and upgrade insights. Thanks for watching.